Hello students, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we talk about what is the summary of adjacency matrix, incident matrix and path matrix in graph theory. So what is adjacency matrix? We assign value is 1, 0. When we will assign value is 1, 0 means the number of edge between one vertex to another vertex, then we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, that is called adjacency matrix. Okay. What is meant by incident matrix? Incident matrix is nothing but if any edges incident on a particular vertex bi, that means if any edge is connected to a particular vertex, then we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. What is meant by path matrix? A path exists between any two vertices, then we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, which means if I want to travel from one place to another place, okay, if path is there, we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, this is the difference between adjacency matrix, incident matrix and path matrix. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.